രാജേശ്വരി വെങ്കിട്ടരമണൻ 130 വാക്ക് വേർഡ് സ്പീഡ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഷോർട്ട് ആൻഡ് ഡിക്റ്റേഷനാണ്. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്താൽ 120 വാക്ക് വളരെ എളുപ്പത്തിൽ എഴുതുവാൻ സാധിക്കും. 2-3 പ്രാവശ്യം പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യണം. ട്രാൻസ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലേക്ക്. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ എനിക്ക് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. തുടങ്ങാം നമുക്ക്. മിസ്റ്റർ ചെയർമാൻ, I am most grateful to the East India Association and Royal India, Pakistan and Ceylon Society for inviting me to function. I am extremely happy that this gives me an opportunity to meet so many friends of my country who have been in one or the other associated with India and have spent several years of their lives in my country. The existence of organizations such as yours has kept alive the long connections between two countries, while other official and diplomatic relations are trenched. I think that the kind of links provided by organizations such as yours are, if anything, more valuable as these are connected with the shifting sands of politics. As you just a little over a year ago, we lost the leader who had for 17 years guided our country through the maze of difference that faced the country on achieving the independence. Pandit Nehru has left to us both the ideals to realize and the firm found on which to build. He has left us the ideal of achieving a social welfare state where poverty will have been banished, where every man shall have equal opportunity regardless of color. The major instrument achieving a social welfare state in an underdeveloped country has to be the government. You are all familiar with our 5-year plans. They provided both for state enterprise and private enterprise. When planning a social welfare state, we do not emphasize any of rigid structure. One major element in the implementation of these plans is made up of foreign exchange, for which we had upon credits and loans from friendly countries. I'm happy to state that we receive these from your country, the United States, and other members of the Air Indian Consortium, as well as Soviet Union and several East European countries. We are grateful for this aid and hope that it will continue in increasing measure, because our needs at the moment are very great to make India a military power, but to devote all our resources and energies to economic growth. China, on the other hand, has built up the largest conventional forces in the world and also entered the nuclear power field. Dear sirs, we have given careful consideration to your suggestion that we take part of our order for the next 6 months in ready-made goods in place of dress material. We do not particularly wish to do this, as in the past by far the greater part of our sales has been in material by the yard and the demand for made-up goods has been low. We quite understand the difficulties of the present situation, however, and we know also that you are in a very good position to judge what the likely demands of the marketing during the next 6 months will be. We are therefore willing to fall in with your suggestion in part, and we agree to take 1/3 of our order in made up of goods. Of this third, however, we would like to have at least a half in warm dresses, which our present experience shows are selling better than any other line. People can make do without many things, but there are few women who can weather a winter happily without 2 or more really warm dresses. We do not wish to take any light summer dresses, as we understand from you that only a very small part of our order can be delivered to us before July. By that time, any small demand there may be for light dresses will have passed. For the same reason, we would like most of the material which we buy the yard to be of the heavier kind, with just a few party lines. We shall be taking into evening dress material this year, as the demand has fallen almost to nothing. May we ask you to let us know as soon as you possibly can just what you will be able to supply, as your representative is no longer with you, and we cannot therefore expect him to call upon us in the usual way will you kindly state whether it would be quite all right for us to send a representative to your showrooms at the new premises to see the goods you are offering, and if so, when he could call? Yours truly.